Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Enjoy English Talks, where every conversation helps you learn. I'm Judy.
Hello, Judy. Hello, everyone. I'm Jake. How are you today, Judy?
I am great today, thank you. I just came back from the supermarket.
The supermarket? What did you buy?
I bought some fruit, some vegetables, some milk, and chocolate. A lot of chocolate.
A lot of chocolate? How much chocolate?
3 bars. They were on sale. I could not say no.
3 bars? Judy, that is a lot of chocolate.
When chocolate is cheap, you buy a lot. That is my rule.
That is a very good rule.
Thank you. And how are you today, Jake?
I am hungry, Judy. I need to go to the supermarket, but I have a problem.
What is the problem?
I do not know all the English words for the supermarket. When I go shopping, I get confused. I do not know how to ask for things.
That is a very common problem for learners, and that is our topic today.
Really? We are going to the supermarket?
Yes, today we are going to the supermarket in English. I will teach you all the words you need from the door to the exit.
From the door to the exit. Let's go shopping.
But first, we have a small request.
Yes, if you like our podcast, please click the like button.
Please subscribe to Enjoy English Talks.
And share this episode with your friends and family.
Thank you. It helps us so much.
We love our listeners.
Okay, now let's start. Okay, close your eyes. Picture this in your mind. You are standing outside a big supermarket. The doors open. You walk inside. What do you see?
I see food. A lot of food. On big shelves. Very long shelves. And people walking around with those big baskets on wheels.
Those big baskets on wheels, that is our first word. Cart. C-A-R-T.
Cart. What does cart mean?
A cart is a basket on wheels. You push it through the store. You put your food inside it. Everyone uses a cart at the supermarket.
A cart. I push a cart and I put food in the cart.
Exactly. You take a cart when you walk in and you push it through the store. Where do I find the cart?
Usually near the door. When you walk in, you will see many carts together. You take one and you start shopping.
I take a cart near the door. Easy. What if I only need a few things?
Good question. If you only need a few things, you can use a basket, a small basket you carry with your hand. But if you need many things, take a cart.
A few things, basket. Many things, cart. Got it. And when your cart is full, it gets heavy. Very heavy.
Heavy. Too much food, but I cannot stop. Everything looks so good.
That is the danger of the supermarket. You go in for milk, you come out with 20 things.
Every time. It happens every time.
Let me give you a sentence. I grabbed a cart and started shopping. Grabbed means I took it quickly.
I grabbed a cart and started shopping. I like that sentence.
And one more thing. Some carts have a bad wheel. One wheel goes left and right. It makes a funny noise.
I always get that cart. The one with the bad wheel. Every time.
Everyone gets that cart. It's a rule of life.
A very unfair rule.
Good. Now you have your cart. You start walking, and you see long paths between the shelves. Those paths have a name.
They do. What are they called?
They are called aisles. A-I-S-L-E. Aisle. Be careful, the S is silent. You say aisle, not isle.
Aisle. The S is silent, like the word island.
Exactly like island. Very good, Jake.
So an aisle is the path between the shelves?
Yes, the long path where you walk and look at the food. A supermarket has many aisles. Aisle 1, aisle 2, aisle 3. Each aisle has different things.
Like aisle 1 is bread, aisle 2 is drinks.
Yes, and when you can't find something, you can ask for help. Just say, "Excuse me, which aisle is the rice in?"
Excuse me, which aisle is the rice in? That is very useful.
And the worker might say, "Aisle 3 on your left."
Aisle 3 on my left. Thank you.
See? One question and you find what you need.
I love this word, aisle. I will use it every time I go shopping.
And here's a tip. Most supermarkets have signs above each aisle. The signs tell you what's in that aisle.
So I can read the sign first, then I know where to go.
Exactly. The signs are your map. And you can also say, let's go down this aisle. Or, the drinks are in the next aisle.
Let's go down this aisle. That sounds natural.
It is very natural. And now you know two words, cart and aisle. You have your cart. You are walking down the aisle. What do you see on the shelves?
Food. Lots of food. But how do I know what is good?
Great question. Let me teach you two more words. The first one is fresh. F-R-E-S-H.
Fresh? What does fresh mean?
Fresh means just made or just picked, not old, not from a long time ago. Fresh bread is bread that was made today. Fresh fruit is fruit that was picked not long ago.
So fresh means new and good?
Yes, new and good. At the supermarket, you will see a section called fresh produce. That means fresh fruits and vegetables.
Fresh produce. Produce means fruits and vegetables.
Yes, fruits and vegetables together are called produce. P-R-O-D-U-C-E.
I want to buy fresh produce. Fresh apples, fresh tomatoes.
You can also say, is this bread fresh? Or, I only buy fresh milk.
Is this bread fresh? That is a good question to ask.
And the worker will say, yes, it was made this morning. Or, no, but we have fresh bread coming tomorrow.
Fresh bread coming tomorrow. That is good to know.
And one more tip. Look at the date on the package. If the date is today or close to today, the food is very fresh.
Check the date. I will remember that.
And at the supermarket, fresh things are usually near the door, the first thing you see when you walk in.
That is true. I always see fruits and vegetables first. Now I know why. They are the fresh produce section.
Exactly. Now the second word, on sale.
On sale? What does on sale mean?
On sale means cheaper than the normal price. The store gives you a lower price. You pay less money.
Oh, I love paying less money. On sale is my favorite word now.
I knew you would like that word. At the supermarket, you will see signs. The signs say on sale or special price or 50% off.
50% off? That means half price?
Yes, half price. And that is why I bought 3 chocolate bars. They were on sale.
Now I understand. On sale means a good deal. I pay less.
Yes, and a tip, on sale items change every week, so check the signs when you walk in. You might find something you need at a lower price.
Check the signs. I will do that.
Can you use on sale in a sentence?
The eggs are on sale today. Let's buy 2 boxes.
Perfect sentence. You are a smart shopper, Jake.
A smart shopper? I like that.
Okay, you have your fresh produce, you found some things on sale, your cart is full. Now what?
Now I need to pay.
Yes, and where do you pay?
At the counter?
Close. At the supermarket, we call it the checkout. C-H-E-C-K-O-U-T. Checkout.
Checkout. What does checkout mean?
Checkout is the place where you pay for your things. You take your cart to the checkout, a worker scans your food, and you pay.
Scans. What does scans mean?
Scans means the worker passes your food over a machine. The machine reads the price. Beep, beep, beep. Every item makes a beep sound.
Beep, beep, beep. I love that sound. It means I'm almost done.
Yes, and at the checkout, the worker might ask you some questions.
What questions?
Do you need a bag? Paper or plastic? Do you have a rewards card? A rewards card is a special card from the store. You use it to get lower prices.
What do I say?
For the bag, yes please, or no thank you. For paper or plastic, just choose one. And the rewards card? If you do not have one, just say, no, I don't. Very easy.
Easy. Yes, please, I need a bag. And no, I don't have a rewards card.
Perfect. You sound like a real shopper.
I am a real shopper now. Thank you, checkout.
After you pay, the worker gives you something small but important, a receipt.
A receipt? What is a receipt?
A receipt is a small paper from the store. It shows what you bought and how much you paid. Receipт. Receipt. Be careful, the P is silent.
Receipt. The P is silent, like aisle with the silent S.
Yes, English has many silent letters, but now you know 2 of them.
Aisle, silent S. Receipt, silent P. I am learning secrets.
The worker will ask, "Do you want your receipt?" And you say yes or no.
Do I need the receipt?
It is good to keep it. If something is wrong with your food, you can bring the receipt back, and the store will help you.
So the receipt shows that I bought something. If I need to bring something back, I show the receipt.
Exactly. It shows what you bought and what you paid.
I always throw away my receipts. Maybe I should keep them.
At least keep them for a few days, just in case.
Just in case. Good idea.
And you can also check the receipt to practice English. Read the names of the things you bought, see the prices. It is like a mini English lesson.
A mini English lesson on a small piece of paper. I like that.
Now we know 6 words. Let me say them all. Cart, aisle, fresh, on sale, checkout, receipt. 6 words for the supermarket.
6 words, and I remember all of them.
Good. Now I want to practice. Let's do a role play. I am the worker at the supermarket. You are the shopper. Ready?
Ready. Let me get my cart.
Good. You are walking down the aisle. You look lost. You need help. What do you say?
Excuse me, which aisle is the rice in?
Aisle 5, on your right.
Thank you. And are these oranges fresh?
Yes, they came in this morning. Very fresh.
Great. And is the chicken on sale today?
Yes, the chicken is on sale. 20% off.
20% off. I will take 2. Okay, I am done shopping. Where is the checkout?
The checkout is at the front of the store. Go straight and turn left.
Thank you. I will go to the checkout now.
Hello, do you need a bag?
Yes, please. 1 bag.
Okay, your total is $15.30.
Here you go. Can I have my receipt, please?
Of course, here's your receipt. Have a nice day.
Thank you. Have a nice day.
And done. That was perfect, Jake. You did the whole thing.
That was fun. I went through the whole supermarket in English, from the cart to the receipt.
You asked about aisles, you checked if the food was fresh, you found things on sale, you paid at the checkout, and you asked for your receipt.
All 6 words in one shopping trip.
And you sounded like a real shopper. Very natural.
Do you think real workers will understand me?
Of course, you spoke slowly and clearly. You used the right words. That's all you need.
I feel more ready now. Next time I go shopping, I will use all of these words.
And if you make a mistake, that's okay. The workers are always friendly. They will help you.
Mistakes are part of learning. You told me that.
I did. And at the supermarket, no one cares if your English is not perfect. They just want to help you find your food. And here's something I want everyone to know. The supermarket is one of the best places to practice English.
Really? Why?
Because you go there every week, maybe 2 or 3 times a week. Every time you go, you can practice the same words. Cart, aisle, fresh, on sale, checkout, receipt.
The same words every week, so they become easy.
Yes, and you can try something new each time. This week, ask where an aisle is. Next week, ask if something is fresh. The week after, read your receipt in English.
Small practice every visit. That is smart.
And if you forget a word, do not worry. Just describe it. Say, the thing with wheels for cart, or the paper from the checkout for receipt.
Describe it until someone helps me. I can do that.
Yes, that's real English. You don't need every word, you just need to try.
I just need to try. I like that.
And one day, you'll walk through the supermarket and think in English without trying.
Without trying. That's the dream.
It's not a dream, it's just practice. A little bit every week. And the supermarket is your classroom.
My classroom with food. The best classroom.
Okay, let's review.
Yes, let's see what we learned.
Today we went to the supermarket and we learned 6 important words.
Word 1, cart. C-A-R-T. A basket on wheels for your shopping.
Word 2, aisle. A-I-S-L-E. The long path between the shelves. Remember, the S is silent.
Word 3, fresh. F-R-E-S-H. Just made or just picked, not old.
Word 4, on sale. Cheaper than the normal price. A good deal.
Word 5, checkout. C-H-E-C-K-O-U-T. The place where you pay.
And word 6, receipt. R-E-C-E-I-P-T. The small paper that shows what you bought. The P is silent.
6 words, 2 silent letters,